Welcome to KAFA. You want to cycle your design more than one time. Then go to Menu, then go to Advanced, and then Cycle Setting. In Cycle Setting, cycles is how many times to cycle. Generally having 0 and 1 is the same thing. I gave 2 times. Then click OK. And the interval is the number of seconds between 2 cycles. I gave 1 second. Then click OK. Finally, setting is done. Now click OK. Let's run the design. Click Start. And it is cycle machining. If you want continue to operate, click Yes. Have to wait a while. Let's see what happens. The first cycle is over. Have to wait a bit. Now the second cycle has started. Let's zoom in a bit. Nice, working well. Thanks for watching.